Hey, I just wanted to show you the first trade from this morning. It's kind of an example of how I've modified my strategy a little bit, and I think it works pretty good. So, okay. So what you have here this morning is you've got. I'll just take this off for a second so you can see that before I put it on. So this candle right here is these are 5 minute charts, by the way. These are 5 minute charts with typical normal stock out of the box EMA levels. So 8, 9 surrounded by a 512. That's this one. 3450, 7289, 180, 200. So basic, just off the shelf kind of figures, not really doing anything customized with them. So basically the way this strategy works is what you do is um, you locate areas where you've got a fresh trend, and essentially, this is the kind of thing I've been doing for a long time. What you do is you locate a nice uptrend on the 5, a pullback to the EMA, and then a candle that is supported by the EMA like this. It's nesting. I call it nesting just inside the EMA, but it's green. So then you basically, what would you do is you would take your fib levels based on the high of that candle and the low, a recent swing low, and this is fine at the candle itself. Sometimes it's a candle or two or three before, and essentially that's what you do. That's your game board established there. The difference here being that what I've done is I've transitioned. Let's see, what time is this? 4:35. I've transitioned so that what I'm dealing with here is a 1 second chart and a 1 minute um, Fibonacci level. Okay, so that it's what you're doing is you're looking for support on not just a key fib level based on this chart, but also the 1 minute EMA as seen on a 1 second chart. I know that might sound odd, but that's what it is. So, for example, here you go. Here's that level. That candle completes over here at let's see, this one completed 4:30, so this is 4:35 right here. And then what you do is you just find where you have a confluence of price supported by this 1 minute 8-9 EMA and a key fib level. So these are the key fib levels. These 1, 2, 3, 4 levels here. So obviously we're double bottoming off this lower key fib level, which is the 0.3082, and we're double bottoming off the 1 minute 8-9 EMA band as seen on the 1 second chart. And then the target's up here at the 1.6018. So that's kind of an example of how that works. So anyway, but my first trade wasn't until just after the news this morning. And it was this candle that I actually traded. Now, this particular candle was a big, wide ranging candle, right? So what I did with this one is, and this is where kind of a little bit more art than science. I took my Fibonacci levels based on the high of this wick, okay, and the beginning of this push up, which was down in this area right here, okay. So that was like the beginning pullback to include this, okay, and then that's how I got my levels, okay. So as you can see here, you get the 50% level here at 2329.1. And then we'll just go over here to, and I was really proud of this trade because this really was, this exemplified how well this actually works. Um, so that was 8:30 this morning, and let me just sync that. Okay, so at 8:35, because the news was at 8:30 and it was right here. At 8:35, okay, we started seeing this, okay, and anywhere in here, this actually would have qualified right here because it's above the 50% level and it's right on that 1 minute EMA, both right there. I didn't take that one. I was kind of looking for maybe a double pattern. This one was below the EMA, so I really wasn't counting that as the first number one in a double. That could have been number two if this has been above, but that was bouncing off the 50% and the 1 minute. and then I waited for it to pull back here to the 60% and the 1 minute, and that's where I got it. I got in like right here, and then basically it just went boom straight up to target. I got out right here, so I thought that was a pretty good, dang good trade. I kept trading after that. I took additional trades. Probably traded too much, but I'm kind of just trading a little bit more aggressively since I blew the account the other day, and it's just kind of a different way of looking at the market. But um, sometimes you got to blow an account or several accounts to start seeing the market in a new way. And I'm definitely seeing it in a different way since that day because I was doing different things that day and trying to speed up my process. And essentially, I went from trading on a 15-minute chart and a 15-second chart to a 5-minute chart and a 1-second chart. But I think this is actually a little bit more accurate and also creates more setups in the trading day. So for that, I'm very grateful too. So anyway, that's it. I made this video a lot longer than I wanted to, but I just wanted you to see the process. Okay, that's it.